MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol, is the mechanism that allows Claude Code to connect with external systems and services. It acts as a standardized interface between the AI and external tools. You can think of MCP as a way to extend Claude Ocha's capabilities beyond your local environment. It enables access to external data, services, and custom functionality. Through MCP, Claude can interact with systems such as messaging platforms, databases, and internal APIs. However, it is important to understand when to use MCP and when not to. In many cases, command line tools are actually a better option. Command line tools are easier to set up, simpler to debug, widely documented, and typically faster because they run directly on your system. MCP introduces an additional layer which can add complexity. As a general rule, use command line tools when they already exist and work well. Use MCP when you need deeper integration, real-time data access, or when no suitable command line tool is available. MCP servers are configured in your system settings. Each server is defined with a name, a command that runs it, optional arguments, and environment variables for authentication. Once configured, these servers provide additional tools and capabilities to Claude. There are several commonly used MCP servers. Some are particularly useful. For example, messaging integrations allow you to send and receive messages in real time. Memory servers enable persistent storage across sessions, allowing Claude to remember information over time. Database integrations allow direct access to structured data. Reasoning tools enhance how the system analyzes complex problems. Other integrations may exist, but some are better handled through command line tools instead. For example, version control, container management, and cloud operations are often more efficient through native command line interfaces. One powerful feature of MCP is persistent memory. You can store information during one session and retrieve it later in another session. This allows continuity across workflows and reduces the need to repeat information. Another important capability is enhanced reasoning. Certain integrations allow the system to break down complex problems step by step, improving the quality of analysis and decision-making. You can also build your own MCP servers. This allows you to connect Claude Code to internal systems, APIs, or custom tools specific to your organization. By doing this, you can create highly specialized workflows tailored to your needs. Security is a critical consideration when working with MCP. These integrations can access sensitive systems and data. You should always use secure methods for handling credentials, restrict access to only what is necessary, and avoid exposing unnecessary resources. Proper configuration and auditing are essential to ensure safe usage. If something does not work as expected, you can check the status of your MCP servers. This helps identify connection issues, configuration errors, or missing dependencies. Understanding MCP allows you to extend Claude Code beyond a local assistant into a fully integrated system. It enables real-time interaction with external services, persistent knowledge across sessions, and custom integrations for advanced workflows. At the same time, you should always evaluate whether a simpler approach exists before introducing additional complexity. In the next lecture, you will explore how to run local AI models and integrate them into your workflows for more control and privacy. See you in the next lecture.